ओम शांति। ओम शांति। वैसे सभी बोलो मीठे मीठे बाबा के यादों में ओम शांति। अच्छा अभी
Om Shanti.
मेरा क्वेश्चन उठा।
I had question in my mind.
याद में बैठे थे तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं उठा सकते।
We were sitting in remembrance means we don't have any questions in mind.
माना याद में रहना।
To stay in remembrance means to stay in remembrance.
ट्रांसलेशन ओके?
Is the translation okay?
ट्रांसलेशन ओके?
That is asking whether the translation is okay.
ओके जगह भाई है ना? ट्रांसलेशन ओके?
There is Brother Jagabai. Is it okay?
जगह भाई को इसमें बाजू बिठाओ। जगह भाई कम हियर।
Jagabai, come in the front. Occupy the front seat. He is a very wonderful brother.
हर सेवा में वंडरफुल है।
He does a lot of service.
तो क्वेश्चन उठा।
So I had question in my mind.
Attention please. जब योग में बैठते हो
When you sit in remembrance,
न भी चाहो तो बाबा की याद आए।
even if you don't want to remember, you will remember Baba. If you remember anything else, you don't like it.
जब याद में बैठे हैं
We are all sitting in remembrance.
माँ शाम के याद में
That too in the evening time.
बैठना पड़ेगा।
In the morning we have to sit separately in Amrutvela. We can't just sit at the back, but we have to be very alert. Amrutvela will be very alert.
शाम को कोई बात याद ना आए।
But in the evening yoga, you should not remember anyone else. Because today Baba said in his Murli,
कहते हैं सब बातें भूलना ही।
Baba says you have to completely forget everything.
किसी का भी नाम रूप बाबा हमेशा कईयों का नाम बाबा को आता ही नहीं था मुख पर।
Baba wouldn't remember anyone's name in his lips.
नाम नहीं लेता दो तीन बहनों का।
He didn't take anyone's name in his lips, but only said as child, called them as child.
हमको भी कहेंगे जन्नत पीछे कहेंगे।
Even Baba used to say Janak, then used to say child.
कुमार का कभी था फिर नाम लेगा।
So Baba used to take the name like Kumar Kha, Dadi Janak.
मुरली में देखेंगे ना
Even if you see in the Murli,
का नाम लिया हो,
Baba takes names of 4 or 5.
का नाम लिया हो,
Baba takes the name of Brother Jagdish. Baba says he is a child.
नाम लेंगे काम दे करके।
By seeing the task accomplished, Baba will take the name in the Murli.
अच्छा मतलब का माना
That means
काम का बच्चा है।
Baba sees what type of action he performs.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये उठा
So I had question in my mind,
क्या शिवा बाबा की याद ज्यादा दिलाती है
does the service which we do
या संगत
get more of remembrance, or the gathering makes us to remember more?
या ऐसे ही चढ़ ऊंचा मेरा बने
In order to make my character elevated,
से याद आती है
do I remember the Father a lot?
याद कर।
What type of remembrance do I have?
ये क्वेश्चन उठा
This question raised in my mind.
ठीक है क्वेश्चन
Is the question right?
क्योंकि
Because
बहन भाई मेरे से रोज हम बैठते हैं
many sisters and brothers have a spiritual chit-chat, so I can't give a special time for all of them.
आधा घंटा
So I sit here for 15 minutes or for 45 minutes, so I have spiritual chit-chat.
ठीक है ना आकर बैठेंगी तो कैसे रोजान करोगे।
So how will I do spiritual chit-chat? Personally, I can't meet anyone, so it is better that I sit in the gathering.
कोई 2 मिनट भी मिलने आएगा
If anyone comes to meet for 2 minutes
मिलेगा
or 3 minutes,
अच्छा होगा।
he should feel that he felt very happy, he was comfort. Daddy smiled.
क्या ये टाइम नहीं है दादी से मिलने का पर नहीं मैंने मुझे
Let anyone say that there is not the time to meet Dadi.
तो जो आज बाबा ने कहा
And therefore what Baba said today,
सबसे अच्छी याद तभी रहेगी
the remembrance can stay
भूलना सीखेंगे।
only when you continue to forget everything in a second. It was there in today's Murli.
और याद भी अच्छी रहेंगी,
The remembrance is good.
ज्ञान भी बुद्धि में साधारण होंगी,
You can imbibe good knowledge in the intellect.
धारणा नहीं हो।
If you have any other thing in your mind, then you can't inculcate this knowledge.
अगर याद अच्छी होंगी,
Even you can do service when you have a very good remembrance. Then there is success in service.
अगर हम जरा भी कंफ्यूज होंगे,
If we are little bit confused too,
न याद न शिवा,
we neither can do service nor have remembrance.
अब मैं इंग्लिश नहीं जानती हूँ,
Daddy says, I don't know English,
दूर जाना,
but I know the word confuse.
कंफ्यूज हो गया,
I become upset. There is darkness everywhere.
कभी गीत में वैसे इस गीत में मुझे नोट होता है, जहाँ मेरा तन होगा वहाँ
Where my body is, there is my mind.
आँख ही मेरा दीपक है।
The eye is like a light.
आज की गीत नोट हुआ,
I had the song in my mind.
दीपक है,
I noted the song in my mind.
और ये दीपक
The third eye is open, but this eye says,
की रोशनी,
there is light and light everywhere.
ये आँखों से और को रोशनी नजर आती है,
Through this eye, others get light.
सिर्फ तीसरा नेत्र खोलने से रोशनी नहीं आई,
Not only by opening this third eye, but by becoming Trikhaldarshi, I experience light.
नेत्र से ये आँख खुली,
By knowing the three aspects of time, the eyes is opened. The third divine intellect is open. I can remember Baba from where I am seeing.
इसने सिखाया,
Who has taught me to see?
जो कल का वरदान मुझे बार बार याद आता है,
I constantly remember yesterday's blessing.
के ज्ञान से
Through the knowledge of the self, you have self-realization, but through this
समस्या
spinning the discus of knowledge, all the sanskars, that is old sanskars, is removed.
आज बाबा ने कहा माया का गला ही घुट जाए,
Today Baba said the Maya's throat should be gluttoned,
आ न सके, इतनी माया को
should not create any negative thoughts. So Maya should be getting scared about us.
ये तो शेरनी शक्ति है,
Maya should feel these are lioness,
शक्ति है,
the power of lioness.
तो एक शक्ति है,
One power is
ये हर पहले शक्ति है सरस्वती की,
the power of goddess Saraswati, who is seated on the swan. Goddess Saraswati is seated on the swan, because swan is Sato Pradhan.
वंडरफुल डांस,
It is a wonderful swan.
तो मैंने सुनाया था, पर कईयों ने आपने नहीं सुना होगा,
I have listened many times, but many have not listened. I had been to Agra.
मुझे पता चला भरतपुर नजदीक है,
I knew that Bharatpur was very close.
बचपन ने 54 साल पहले गई थी
Before I had gone to Bharatpur,
महाराज, तो याद आ गई अभी भी
I remember Bharatpur, king and queen.
भरतपुर में गए, तो मैंने कहा मैं भरतपुर में जाने चाहती हूँ,
So I said I want to go to Bharatpur. Then the sister knew that
मैं वहाँ की,
there is sister Kavita, and I told her that I like to come to Agra, Bharatpur. I got ready myself
गई तो सुबह को
early in the morning. When I went
पहुंची,
at 10 o'clock,
अनेक प्रकार के प्रोग्राम रखे,
there were many programs. I met that king,
बहू बेटे से मिलने के लिए आए थे,
their son, their daughter-in-law, sister-in-laws. Many were sitting there.
उसने इतना भी प्रोग्राम बना दिया, भरतपुर में एक जू बना है जहाँ सब पशु पंछी होते हैं,
There is a very good place in Bharatpur. By seeing all those, I said I have to by evening go back to Delhi. But by evening I went to Delhi. But when I was there in Bharatpur, I enjoyed a lot.
वहाँ ये
It was a very wonderful place.
स्पेशलिस्ट स्कूटर जाता है,
The scooter goes, travels there.
वो के वीरवाड़ा, उसमें लेके गए, 3-4 माइल में है सारा, तो देखा
All the places were about 3 to 4 kilometers. There was a bird sanctuary. I went to the bird sanctuary. Each and every bird have a special quality and have a special home or nest.
और
Many come from Russia, America, everyone reach there.
उड़ते उनको देरी नहीं लगती है.
They don't take time to fly. There are many variety birds. I saw everything.
घूम के मैंने कहा
I traveled everywhere.
सही नहीं है. मैंने अजब खाया. इतने वैरायटी अनेक पक्षी.
There were many variety of birds.
एक दो के पास जाते आते नहीं थे. हर एक का अपना 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 एरिया बनी हुई थी जैसे.
Everyone had their own area and they wouldn't enter anyone's area.
ये अनबन देखा.
This was true and wonder. They didn't have any conflict with each other. Everyone were very happy.
लेकिन जब हंस को नहीं देखा
But when we don't see the swan, then we don't see the world at all.
अभी पता नहीं है. पहले भारत में तोते को ब्राह्मण मानते थे.
Before Bharatvasis, they used to think parrot to be a Brahmin.
तोते को घर में रखेंगे.
The Brahmins used to keep
तोता जैसा.
the parrot in their home.
दूसरा
And secondly,
जैसी भाषा सिखाओ
the way you explain to the parrot, it will repeat in the same way. If you say Om Shanti, then it repeats.
दूसरा हंस है. हंस की एक खूबी है.
The speciality of the swan is it knows to fly and it also knows
कोई
to
पशु पंछी ऐसा नहीं है.
walk on the water. The birds fly,
और पशु बेचारा उड़ नहीं सकता.
but the animals cannot fly. They just walk on land. How the others make them to walk, they just walk.
तैरना भी जानता है.
But the swan knows how to swim and also how to fly. So ask yourself, am I a swan?
सतोगुनी
A Sato Pradhan swan?
दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है. उसमें निर्णय शक्ति
The one who is swan cannot see anything.
और निर्णय शक्ति.
It has the power of determination and power of judgment.
तो जैसे बाबा की मुरली परी
It takes all jewels and leaves all the pebbles. And therefore the Father says,
तो बाबा ने आज बोला
do not remember anyone else, but remember me alone. Brahma Baba had complete renunciation of his own life. He was having child, wife, everyone, but still Baba had unlimited renunciation.
तो कल बोला वैराग वृत्ति वाला कान लगाव नहीं होगा.
The one who have renunciation attitude will not be attracted to anything else.
झुका नहीं होगा. वो कभी ये नहीं
He will not ask for anything. He doesn't ask for anything.
कभी नहीं होगा. उसकी आंख कान डूबेगी नहीं.
His eyes cannot get attracted to anything else.
हंस को अंदर से अंदर तिरपत है तो
And therefore, those who are swan are internally very much satisfied
शक्ति है ना जो परखने की निर्णय करने की.
because they have the power of determination and they become wonderful.
तो कृष्ण के वैसे कृष्ण के हाथ में होली दिखाते हैं.
Because it is shown, the flute is shown in Krishna's hand. But for Mama, we say that she plays the guitar.
वहाँ से पैर बजाती थी.
Practically, she used to play the guitar.
रागिर नवाज. पहले पहले मामा बहुत गाती थी. अच्छा
Before, Mama used to sing a very good songs.
सितार पर अच्छी होती है. मीठा मीठा आवाज होता है.
Guitar has a very good sound.
मुरली का आवाज अपना है.
The taste of Murli is by itself. It attracts everyone.
सुनने और जी चाहता है.
We'll like to listen more and more.
तो ऐसे बनना है. पहले हंस
And therefore, we first have to become swan.
मुख से बाबा के महावाक्य मधुर महावाक्य.
Then through lips, we have to explain the knowledge given by the Father. It happens only when there is the speed of determination. We need the power of determination. Then the next goddess is Durga, Jagadamba.
जगदम्बा तो सबकी कामनाएं पूरी करने.
Jagadamba is the one who fulfills everyone's desires.
कामधेनु
Kamdenu,
के नीचे बैठी है.
goddess Kamdenu,
बुद्धि में
who fulfills everyone's desires, is sitting below the Kalpa tree.
ज्ञान उसकी बुद्धि में है.
Because the entire knowledge of the Kalpa tree is in her intellect.
कल
It is kalpa tree.
वृद्धि को पाता है,
As it increases,
ये बैठी है,
Kamdenu is sitting below.
गौ माता है,
But they show that Kamdenu is a cow mother.
गौ माता नहीं पर कामधेनु,
It is not a cow mother,
मनो
but she is Kamdenu. Kamdenu means, when you split this word, it becomes the one who fulfills the desires.
वो माता का लेती हूँ और तो बोलो,
When I say the word mother, what brothers are?
मैंने एक बार हमारी दिल्ली थी,
And therefore Baba has
कभी तो
said once,
लक्ष्मी बनेगी या नारायण
do you become Lakshmi forever in Satyuga?
नारायण बनेगी,
No, you can't be. Sometimes you become Lakshmi and sometimes you become Narayan. The sanskars which you take now,
नाना लक्षण
you
नारायण
have the aim to become Lakshmi and Narayan.
प्रैक्टिकल कर,
And your action should be like Narayan. And your aim should be like becoming Lakshmi.
तो आज मुझसे किसी ने नोट किया था, शायद बहुत समय पहले उसने क्लास सुना था,
Someone had given me a note because previously he might have heard the class.
तो तुमने कहा था मुझे तो नारायण बनना है,
He said, you have told that you have to become Narayan and not to become Lakshmi.
योग लगाना और थोड़ा बुद्धि में प्लान न चले,
If you don't create any plan in the intellect,
अच्छी है,
what they will become?
और नहीं जिसको उमंग उल्लास है,
The one who has too much of enthusiasm that I need to do everything.
तो बाबा जो है ना करावना हार है ना बैठने नहीं देता है,
Baba is the one who does everything,
बैठ जाते हो सब,
keeping an instrument. So Baba is the doer.
ये भी करो,
And also Baba says you have to do this, do that. But at the time of doing, I have to see to my character. If I do what others will say.
करती बोलती दूसरा है,
Others should not say that you do one thing and you say anything.
बच्ची
And therefore Baba said, child,
एक कालीन दूसरी न होवे,
the action you perform and the thoughts which you create should be the same. The translation is okay.
पहले करनी
First is the action you perform, and before that you create thoughts. So when you practically do this,
तो कथनी,
it is in your action.
तो करनी कथनी में एनर्जी खर्च होती है,
When you think and then do,
बनती है,
you'll use lot of energy.
समझा?
Understand?
कान से हाँ ही नहीं करते,
You don't say yes or no.
कथनी से एनर्जी,
When you perform action, you
करनी से
lots of energy is used.
समझा,
Those who understood, please raise your hands.
समझा ना, हाँ?
And therefore, the thoughts you perform and the actions you perform should be the same. And therefore, I call two souls in front of me.
को दूसरा
One is Sister Mandha and the other one is Sister Rajkumari.
इसको यहाँ बुलाने चाहती हूँ,
I wish to call Sister Rajkumari.
दादी गुलजार ने इसका नाम राजकुमारी रखा है,
Dadi Gulzar has kept the name as Rajkumari.
बाबा की तरफ से इसका नाम राजकुमारी,
On behalf of Baba, her name is Rajkumari. The name was different.
सब माई के रिट्रीट में आई थी,
This one had come in the Peace of Mind retreat.
देखते मधुबन को देखते देखते बाबा को देखते देखते
All the time saying Baba in Madhuban.
आज अनुभव सुनाया है, लिखा है,
She had wrote her experience. When you see her,
ये प्रभु के लाल छिपे हुए थे,
how that sister was hidden and she has come out.
मंदा बहन अनुभव सुनाएंगी,
On the other hand, Sister Manda will explain.
मंदा बहन ने क्या अनुभव,
She will share her experience.
कि आज की शाम भी आ रहेंगी, आज की शाम, मैंने कहा तुम रात को जाओ न, कल नहीं मैं अमृत वेले
She is leaving today evening,
क्या करेंगे,
but still Daddy said you have to do your Amrit Vela, then go.
शाम यहाँ क्यों हुई है,
Why she is staying today in the evening here?
ये राजकुमारी
I thought she might have been sitting in the class. She doesn't leave anything.
जो इसकी टीचर है ना, पता भी नहीं टीचर कहाँ है, ये कहाँ
Even she do not know where her teacher is.
मस्ती में मस्त है,
She is always stays in intoxication.
मंदा रियलाइजेशन का क्या हमारे निमित्त बनने में क्या क्या बातें,
Sister Manda is an instrument
जैसे मैं कभी जिसका अनुभव अच्छा होगा परिवर्तन
If
का-
anyone's experience is very wonderful, I just call them out.
राजकुमारी आ जाओ.
Sister Rajkumari is also being called.
राजकुमारी इंग्लिश में सुनाएंगी. आप हिंदी में
Sister Rajkumari is also being called.
भाई मुझे सुनने का दो, मैं कैच कर लेंगी. हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, कैच कर लेंगे.
Daddy says I can catch words which the sister will speak in English.
भाई सुनने का दो मेरे को. पूछो, तीनों भाइयों से मिल के आई, तीनों भाइयों से मिल के आई.